Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Here we go. This is an LED light bar and it is made by Nightlight. We are going to go over this, give you some specs on it real quick, and I think you can make an informed decision on whether you would like to mount this. There's so many uses to this, and as you'll see further in the video, we're actually going to mount this on a 40-foot diesel pusher at the top above the rear camera so that the owner can light it up when they're trying to hook up their trailer, hook up their car hauler. All right, we're actually going to mount this light on the back of this motorhome at the very top above the camera. The trailer is being loaded on, or the car is being loaded on the car dolly that they can see, and we're pretty excited about it. We think it's going to really work well. There it is right there, and she's a bright one. That's what we're going to do with this. So let's go over it real quick. First off, this light bar is about 20 inches long. Now they make them in all different sizes. We're just doing this one here. And it is about 3 inches wide and about 2.5 inches tall. That's it on that. Comes with a real heavy duty cord with some really nice wiring. Now the brackets are really impressive on this thing. And why? Because you can swivel them. The mounting bolts are stainless steel. Now these brackets here you can loosen up, slide these wherever you want. So if you want the mounting brackets clear out here on the outside, or you want them clear in here on the inside, you can do that. I love the fact that all the bolts across the top here to take the lens out and change the bulbs and take it apart are all stainless steel as well. It is a matte type semi-gloss wrinkle finish, all ribbed for cooling. Now let's light it up and see how bright it is in a lit office. Now that's pretty bright. Okay, you can see from the light of the camera how far we're going down this country road. Let's see what this light does on a weak battery. Not bad, huh? Making night into day.